parking enforcement, giant truck, trampoline, Team 10 house. I'm gonna do that thing. Huh? Everybody will watch my vlogs. When it rains, you know. Wake up! Now isn't that the best thing to wake up to? Good morning, guys. Good morning. I just dropped my mixtape. It's on fire, yo. So artsy, but yo guys, come on, look at this. Yo, someone tried to put our house for sale. I mean, it's kind of weak, right?
Dude, should we just sell our house?
Maybe we should. Views are low this month. Yo, what is this? How many times are they gonna sell it? What is this? You can't just do this. Was this you? Hey, was this you? Did you sell our house? Not me. I don't trust her. Dope. Good morning, kids. What do you guys want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I got some ideas. So guys, Nick and I are trying to find a new house for the Team 10 to live at, and it's actually like a hard process. We found one, but like all these people are giving it offers, and the Los Angeles market is like super competitive, and so the struggle is real, but know that whatever house we get, it's gonna be bomb, bro. Like, we want it to be 14 times bigger than this house, so. What'd you say?
Touching random numbers.
Like 14?
Why not 15?
I don't know, what are those?
These are slippers.
Good morning, Tessa. How are your eggs?
Why I wouldn't know, because I haven't had them yet.
They're good. The battery's dead, man. Right after this intermission of this battery charging, we'll be right back to your regular scheduled programming of the drone flying. Ah! Yo, it's so easy. So I own a giant army truck, and you guys haven't even seen it yet in the vlogs. Like, I put it in one vlog like a long time ago when the Jake Paulers were just a little group of people, but now we're popping. So we're gonna go get this giant army truck. It's lit.
It's lit?
It's lit.
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 Like
Lit.
lit. That's all. No, just shut up. Whoa! Yes, yes, yes. This is what we do for fun in America.
That's my present.
This is why you guys gotta move here.
Okay. You guys are crazy.
We're crazy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Spain, if we want to have fun, we play games. PlayStation. Only PlayStation.
No, we drive trucks, man.
Savage people.
Yes, yes, you're right. They're learning so good. It's an everyday progression, and I love them for the work that they're putting in. Yo, look at all this room for shenanigans. Like, what's about to go down when we go back to the Team 10 house? I have no idea. I also want to see if Emilio can drive this thing. You think you could drive it?
Yes.
So what I didn't realize is that someone would have to drive my truck back, and then I would be driving this big thing, and Emilio can't drive. Yo, no, come on, bro. You have to pay attention. No, you can't drive this back. I'm gonna have to leave my truck here. Oh. All right, get in, kids. Look how big this thing is, yo.
Where's Jake?
Jake!
Fine. Let's go. Fine. Okay.
We're home! Yo, look at how far this thing sticks out past the driveway. Oh my god.
Oh, I wish I could say I was surprised. But like, is this my birthday present?
Yeah, it's for you, Nick.
I'm just gonna go take it for a spin, man.
Bro, this is how we do it in America, yo. How do you say giant mega truck?
A giant army truck?
Yeah. Yo, you know it's electric, right?
What do you mean it's electric?
It's like a Tesla. It's like a giant Tesla.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Making weird noises.
Yo, it's just, oh, here, wait, watch.
No.
Watch this.
Yeah. Yeah, the Tesla does that as well.
Yeah, the Tesla. All right, Tesla, look what I got. It's a gift for you.
Yo! Oh, the largest gift anyone's ever given me.
You like it?
I like it.
Girls and trucks, talk about America. So here's what I'm thinking. We put a trampoline here and just like come flying off of it.
That doesn't really seem that safe, Jake.
Yeah, no, it's safe. All right, we got the trampoline here. Let's set it up. Now that's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's rip this thing. Cops are here.
Yeah, we're just using it for a video.
Our big truck's getting a ticket, man. This sucks. They said it's blocking the street.
Blocking the haters.
Blocking out the haters. Guys, before we do this, I want to give today's notification shout out to Max Ernst from South Carolina. Thank you, Max, for having my notifications on. Guys, if you want a shout out in tomorrow's video, all you have to do is turn on my post notifications and comment when you are done. Let's shred it. Parking enforcement, giant truck, trampoline, Team 10 house. I'm gonna do that thing. Yo, it's actually kind of high.
Really?
Yeah, like I can see fully into yours and Alyssa's room. My bros will know what I'm thinking.
Big baller. It's everything, bro.
It's so sketch.
Really?
It's so sketch. I'm out of breath.
Rest in peace.
Since we can't sign it because it doesn't have a plate, you can tow it. It's gonna get towed if you guys don't move it.
So you guys are gonna try and tow it now. It has a license plate on the back. The numbers are the license plate. They're gonna try and tow Big Bertha. They can't tow Big Bertha. They'll get ran over. It's kind of sketch, right? Tessa's mom, if you're watching this, it was all her idea. I didn't prompt her to do any of this. It was good. You did it. High five. Good morning, Cade.
Morning, can I do this?
Yeah, go for it, bro.
Sick. I love this place.
He just comes by. Crazy stuff's going on. It's great. There she is.
It's way higher when you're up here.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
That was pretty deep, yo.
Yo, my man almost died. It's actually really sketch. All right, so finally got this thing charged, and we're gonna drone us jumping on the trampoline.
Whoa. With the phone? This is sketchy, bro. Jake, are you sure about this?
Yo, watch out.
Yeah, are you sure about this, bro?
Watch out, watch out.
Yo! Whoa! Yo, it looks really good on the phone screen.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Wow.
There you go, there you go.
Wow. Is it rolling? I mean, it's pretty easy. I don't even really have to do anything.
No!
Oh!
Oh, it's on my face now. Watch, it's gonna follow me.
No way.
Now it'll follow me.
No way.
Look at it.
No way. The phone is down by its side.
Drone attack! You really have to trust the drone. Ready?
What? What? Whoa! That was so deep. It literally threw it to the second floor. Whoa!
So this drone, you just throw it in the air and it like catches itself.
You guys are playing a prank call right now.
No, I'm not. Why would I break a drone? It's kind of hard to do it. Oh, that's not. Ready? You just throw it.
Okay.
Yeah. Grab it here and just throw it in there. Yo!
Yo! What?
Yo, you told me to throw it in the air.
No, you have to throw it higher.
What?
Yo!
You're playing a joke on
No,
me.
wow. It's really easy. It's really easy. Ready? You just go.
What the heck?
At least to like up there.
Yo!
Watch.
Tessa, I don't know. Maybe she's just not meant to.
No, you guys are playing a joke on me. I know you are. What are you pressing?
No, here.
You're pressing something.
What are you doing? What are you? She got
You
it.
never told me to press
Damn. Frisbee?
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait.
It didn't work at all. Parts are on the
You
ground.
actually...
It's fine.
It's fine, the battery just came out. It's like
Yeah,
the
it's
old
fine.
cell phones, you know?
Oh, good.
Oh, we're good.
Bro, the Frisbee does not work.
Nope,
The
no.
Frisbee launch does not work.
What about the boomerang situation?
No, that probably wouldn't work either, actually.
Unless you're talking about Instagram.
Follow me at Jake Paul.
Always
yeah.
plug.
Hey, guys, you want to do flips?
Backflips?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go. They love doing flips. We lit. Look at guys, parking enforcement's waiting to try and tow us. Yo, look, the tow truck is here. We gotta dip. Oh my God. All right, let's dip it. Yo, we gotta move the trampoline. Everyone move. Nick, what do you think, bro?
What's going on?
There's a tow truck. I wanna tease them a little bit. Look at now the neighbors are getting really mad. We gotta tease them a little bit because the tow truck, we've dealt with this situation before. And like, look it, we're not causing any harm. They're saying we're blocking the sidewalk, but the tow truck has to drive an hour to get here because it's a massive tow truck. Look. Jake Paulers, it's every day, bro. They don't want us to have giant trucks. I'm just gonna dip to avoid the problem, but I'm gonna see if I can tease them a little bit.
Are they gonna tow it?
I'm gonna move it, bro.
That's not gonna be able to do anything with that.
Hey, I'm just trying to be friendly, you know? I'm just trying to make friends and like, you know, this is all I want. How are you?
Working hard.
Same, we're out here. Yo, I don't see the truck anymore. Do you guys see the truck? Where'd it go? And tow it now.
Whoa!
The power of magic, now we gotta go. Bye guys, sorry for wasting your time. I didn't want it to happen. I didn't want it to happen. Photo shoot.
Send me through.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yo, when I was wearing this shirt today, I meant it. Pizza is my Valentine, yo. Will you be my Valentine? Yes, Jake. But guys, on the real, if you're gonna be single like me on Valentine's Day and you want one of these shirts, we are selling like a limited number of them right now. We'll put the link in the description, and for every shirt sold, 3 meals get donated to the San Francisco Food Bank. We're trying to do good stuff here and make an impact on the world, as well as like, you know, if a lot of you are single and are gonna feel lonely, just get a Pizza is my Valentine shirt. I'm gonna be wearing one on Valentine's Day, and if you order it now, you can get it before Valentine's Day. So go now! I love you, Pizza. I love you so much. Nick's hid the taser. He's giving me the taser.
By you vlogging this, you're just gonna get me as soon as.
No. You have 2 hiding spots for it? I'm not gonna. Nick, trust me.
You really trust me though?
Yo, come on. Yo! Nick's going mad! This is shaving cream.
Oh no!
I know you have to go to a dinner in a second. You don't want to get this on you. Give me the taser. Set it on the ground and run away. Don't you kill yourself, Nick! What? Why would anyone give me this?
No, don't do it, please.
Stop. Okay, do it! Do it! You want me to? You want me to do it? Do it! No. Stop. Bye, Nick.
He left. Yo, he left. Yeah, he did. He left. He did.
Is he gone? No, he hasn't.
He's so scared.
I'm sorry, Nick. I didn't mean to.
I'm gonna wait outside for Nick. He's about to leave. I'm gonna do that every day. All right, Jake Paulers, I will see you tomorrow because it's every day, bruh. Make sure you're subscribed to keep up with my life on a daily basis. And if you want to see more content, check out yesterday's vlog because it is super lit. Plus, I have a second channel, Jake Paul 2, which you guys can subscribe to right now. And if you want to see more content from everyone in the house, our group channel is called Team 10. Check it. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.